Our Cinema for a Cause camera met Dr. Shujit Kumar Mondal, Professor, Department of Comparative Literature, Jadavpur University, at the Rabindra Sarovar. Dr. Mondal has been teaching comparative literature in Jadavpur University for the last 18 years, and he would like to call himself a nature enthusiast. Shujit started bird watching as a hobby when he was a student at Vishwa Bharati Shantiniketan. Later it became a passion. Shujit does not consider himself a photographer. Rather, he likes to call himself a nature lover or a bird watcher. Though he started with butterfly photography when he got his first camera, gradually he has included birds, insects, and other wildlife. Dr. Shujit Mondal has been recording birds and butterflies of Jadavpur University campus, Kolkata, for the last 14 years. To Dr. Shujit Mondal, Rabindra Sarovar is a paradise of biodiversity. Till date, Shujit has photographed more than 500 bird species and more than 100 butterfly species. Let us meet Dr. Shujit Mondal.
Namaskar, I'm Shujit Kumar Mondal. I'm from Jadavpur. In fact, I live in Jadavpur University campus. I have been teaching comparative literature in Jadavpur University for last 18 years. And before that, I was a student of Vishwa Bharati Shantiniketan. In fact, I got my birdwatching habit from Shantiniketan, perhaps, I'm not sure, though I was born and brought up in Sundarban regions, and this was my childhood habit that I was used to observe so many colorful birds and other creatures which are enough surrounded with us. I have been doing a survey in Jadavpur University campus for last 12 to 13 years, and that survey is based on the biodiversity of Jadavpur University campus, and till date I have got more than 110 species of birds and more
that's wonderful. Okay.
and around 75 species of butterflies in Jadavpur University
Campus itself?
Campus
Okay,
itself. You
okay.
know that it's within the concrete jungle of such
Kolkata,
a big city.
yeah.
In spite of that, I have got this. And parallelly I have explored Rabindra Sarovar, and that again around 17-18 years I have been coming here at Rabindra Sarovar for bird watching, for butterfly watching, and so on. And I am taking photograph of both birds and butterflies more than a decade, almost 12-13 years I have been doing this. I use I shouldn't advertise Canon, but,
No, but
I
still.
use a Canon 6D body.
Okay, this is 6D Mark II.
6D Mark II,
Okay,
and
okay.
it's a third party lens, and I'm not so willing to advertise my lens.
Okay.
Since this is a third party lens,
Uh-huh.
I would like to have.
No, what is the range of the lens? Yeah, what is it?
It's G2, so it's 150 to 600 mm. So
Okay.
my primary target was to get a reach, and till date I'm not so unhappy about the reach of this lens, and picture quality is also good. The purpose of using such a great range is not to disturb the creature I'm going to
Not to
shoot.
go too near. Yeah.
To
Correct.
keep a safe distance.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's a kind of birding ethics and wildlife photography ethics that we should not disturb any animal, any creature, any bird or any butterfly.
Very beautifully
That's
said,
our view.
Sujit.
I think that special or specific zones within the city should be marked as a sanctuary, and we should have a different idea and perception of a sanctuary. Usually, a sanctuary means a very vast forest area and so on, protected by the government laws, and so many forest workers are there, etc., etc. I think we need to change that idea of sanctuary, and we should have a different idea of sanctuary. And certain pockets like Rabindra Sarovar, like Yadupur University campus, like horticulture garden, like botanical gardens, like CKBS has already been declared as a bird sanctuary some decades ago. So we should declare these kind of pockets. The same region, it's very rich location, I would like to call it, in terms of biodiversity. Millions of creatures, millions of living things are there in and around Rabindra Sarovar Lake, because there is a combination of both the water and the land are evident here. So in spite of being the heart of such a congested city, it's really till date it's rich biodiversity here. It's our duty to keep it as it is, or to make it better.
And in its wild, natural quality.
Yeah, natural quality.
So much concretization is not good for, I think, any habitat.
Any habitat. It's a chain system. It's the ecosystem. The birds will come when you will have so many butterflies. Butterflies will be there and insects will be there. If that there should be some host plants for butterflies, there should be some nectar plant for butterflies.
Correct.
And there should be some greeneries, and that too natural greeneries. It's not a matter of artificial carpeting.
Correct.
It's not that. And that, for beautification you can do, since this is a big city, you may have the right of beautifying some part of the land, but that can be done in a planned way.
Correct.
You should plant some nectaring plant, some host plant of butterflies and so on. So that would be beneficiary for the environment, for the ambience of the entire lake, and at the same time, parallelly, it would be beneficiary for us, for people. I will tell you that it's a nice place, and it's a gift from the nature. Rabindra Sarovar is a gift from the nature to us, and we should learn to respect that gift before thinking of enjoying that gift. We should take its care, and we should try our best to protect and take all kind of measures to protect this lake.